Welcome to Auto Spectre, the ultimate destination for all things automotive excitement. Buckle up and get ready to embark on a thrilling ride through the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Whether you're a gearhead or just someone with a passion for the open road, our channel is your go-to source for breaking car news, in-depth reviews, and everything in between. Join us as we rev up the engines of curiosity and navigate the fast lanes of automotive innovation.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Auto Spectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Hold on to your hats, SUV enthusiasts, because the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is here, and it's not just a facelift, it's a complete reinvention. Gone are the days of gas-guzzling engines, replaced by a potent electric powertrain that promises exhilarating performance and environmentally friendly driving. But is this electric Tiguan truly the future of compact SUVs? Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. The 2025 Tiguan sheds its traditional SUV silhouette for a sleeker, more aerodynamic look that's reminiscent of Volkswagen's ID electric car family. The front grille is closed off, replaced by a light bar that stretches across the width of the car, giving it a futuristic feel. Sharp lines and sculpted curves accentuate its dynamic stance, while the iconic VW logo sits proudly in the center. Step inside the 2025 Tiguan, and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit brimming with technology. A large infotainment touchscreen takes center stage, controlling everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster relays all the essential driving information in a clear and concise manner. The heart of the 2025 Tiguan lies in its electric motor, churning out an estimated 300 horsepower and 450 pounds-to-foot of torque. This translates to zippy acceleration and effortless passing, making every drive a thrill. With a targeted range of over 250 miles, you can conquer your daily commutes and weekend adventures without range anxiety. Despite its sleek design, the 2025 Tiguan doesn't compromise on practicality. The spacious cabin offers ample legroom and headroom for 5 passengers, while the cargo area provides enough space for luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear. Clever storage solutions throughout the cabin add to its versatility. Volkswagen prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the 2025 Tiguan is no exception. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, keeping you and your passengers protected on the road. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is a bold statement in the compact SUV segment. Its electric powertrain delivers exciting performance and eco-friendly operation, while its sleek design and tech-laden interior offer a glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. Whether it truly represents the definitive future of compact SUVs remains to be seen, but it's undoubtedly a strong contender with the potential to shake up the market. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan the right choice for you? If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and tech-savvy SUV with a focus on sustainability, then the Tiguan is definitely worth considering. With its competitive pricing and impressive features, it could be the perfect blend of practicality, performance, and environmental responsibility for your next adventure.